Welcome to today's webinar, Setting Up Your Quicksilver Real Estate Solutions website. Everybody should see in front of you the actual dashboard panel where you're actually going to be logging in. From here, you'll actually log in. And you'll land right on your actual dashboard there, and then you'll see, because you already got a new account, everything should read zero straight across the board. You're going to want to go to the far left and click on account information, and this is going to pull up the information so you can upload your picture, your signature, your personal email address, everything that you're going to need for the front end website. This is what your clients are going to see. So you're going to enter in your name. You'll see we have Sophia on there, and Sophia is Mrs. Broker. If you wanted to add a picture or add a logo, this is where you would do it. You'd hit the browse button and you would go search for your JPEG on your desktop. And then you would click upload photo, and that would upload your headshot or your company logo, whichever one you wanted to do. The personal email address is going to be used for your reply anywhere feature. So if you have a Gmail account like Sophia has on there that you see, this is where all the emails go to once a client is actually reaching you. So it'll go to your Gmail account. In this case, if Sophia was to respond through her Gmail account, it would filter back through her Quicksilver Real Estate Solutions website, get logged into the panel under the client, and then go back out using the domain name that she set up with her Quicksilver account. And then you're going to want to load your signature on here as well. So you're going to want to put your name, your company, and whatever title that you're going to be using. This signature will be used on a go-forward basis on all your emails, drip campaigns, any correspondence that goes out through the Quicksilver panel. And then the details down below is your phone numbers. You will get text and or emails from all your clients that use the panel, so you want to make sure that you add your phone number here. And this actually gets inputted onto the front end of the website as well. So when clients log in and they land on your website, they're going to see your picture, they're going to see the company name, and they're also going to see the phone number there, so you want to make sure you get that uploaded there. And then you just click on the add, or right there, click on the add right there, and you can also edit and delete a number if you'd like to. And if you want to add your address to it, you can also add your address, which is right below. So you want to make sure, this is the first thing you do, you want to make sure you get all this information filled in. This is going to be populated and will be visible on the front end of the website. And then from here, I'm going to give you a quick little shot of what it actually looks like. You can see Sophia's picture, and then you see down below, you see her phone number, and there's a little link there to send a email. So if you click on that, she'll actually get an email that goes to her Gmail account, like we were talking about before. Okay, so from there you want to click on settings, and this is going to give you more detailed information on the website itself. This is going to allow you to custom the website to your liking, and if you want to add blogs, so on and so forth. But you want to add your actually company name, your address, city, state, zip, phone number, all the good information that clients will want to see. And down below here, this is where you can change your forced registration. So if a client lands on the home page and they click to do a search, currently, as you see it right now, it's set at 00, meaning 0 detailed views, 0 result views, which would indicate that the client would be forced to register before actually viewing any property. So they would enter their data and click search, and then the Madlib style form would come up. You can move those cursor bars over and see, it saves it and saves it on results views. We get the best results out of 00, but definitely want to try it and see what works for you. From there, you go to the index page, and again, this is all information that you can upload in here. The default search criteria, the low price, high price, that is going to populate on the front end. So you can change wherever areas you live. If you live in Minnesota and the high price is $175,000, you can change that out. If you're in Southern California, where the medium price is closer to $400 to $450, you can change out the high price. And where that actually shows up is going to be on the front end page on the slider bars. You can see it down below there, right there. you can see 125 to 175. And as the client goes in there and moves the cursor bar around, it changes those values. You can see we just changed it there. And now we can move the slider back and forth. So that's how you make those edit adjustments. And then down below you can also add text to your front end page. This is content that we would suggest that you input. It gives a little more information on either yourself or the location that you're servicing. And all kinds of edit tools in there as well. You can edit this just like any Word document. And then we'll show you where this comes up at. There's all the content. Okay. The About page is another page on the website that you can add a little bit about yourself if you're a single agent using the system, or you can add about your team or your brokerage and have the bios on everybody in the office or just yourself if it's a single site. You can also hide this page as well. So if you wish not to show this page, you can actually unclick that box and it will disappear from the page. And that is going to be basically the same on all of them. You can hide just about any page on here. The account page, advanced settings, school page, walkability, these are all custom features, custom pages that you can edit. You have some options when it comes to the theme of the site and the way it looks in color. You have more of a gray scale, and then the Sun Valley there which has a little blue into it. So you got the gray and the blue depending on your personality and how you want it to look and how it matches your company theme. You can also change the graphic and the actual header that shows on the website landing page and every other page on the site itself. And same thing on this one. You want to browse your desktop and then upload the photo itself. And then we have a feature where you can add custom pages. If you want to add your blog to your website, you can actually link to your blog just by checking the box to link to an external website, and then go ahead enter your URL and then create a new page. And then by doing that, it will actually link it over, so now the clients would actually see my blog right down there. And if you clicked on that, that would actually link you to the blog that you have set up if it's through another form, Active Rain. I know a lot of agents use out there. And yeah, so really the adding custom pages is endless. The suggestion that we would have at Quicksilver Real Estate Solutions would be to minimize the pages. The blog would probably be a good idea. If you had a blog, you have the option to add that in there, but keep it at a minimum. Just always remember that less is more. And then for brokers have the ability to distribute their leads from the system. So this is where you're going to set that feature up. If you have multiple agents, you can do a round robin just by clicking the button there, and then the leads will come in and be distributed in a round robin basis. If you have certain agents that spend more time in the office and you want to give a more weighted distribution, you can also do that as well just by clicking the bar there, and Sophia would be getting more of the leads than Agent Demo or Richard Smith. And just by doing that, you can click them back down. That is the lead distribution for brokers, and that is the process for setting up your Quicksilver Real Estate Solutions account. In future webinars, we'll be going over specific features and benefits of the system inside the dashboard. Thank you.